Crypto news today from Amassers.com. Visit our site for cryptocurrency news updated 24/7, technical analysis, and our exclusive crypto market sentiment indicators.
Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I decided to pop in and do a little quick Bitcoin technical analysis, start of a new week, and I'll start off where I always start off, which is right here on our site, Amassers.com. We take a look at our fear and greed index. We call this the fear monger, and we can see we're doing pretty good here. We're down to about 9 and just one bear. There's 1 to 5 bears here and 1 to 5 bulls here to make this quick and easy to read. You want to know more about it, and our screener is right here in this little 9-minute video. We're starting off really strong on the week. You can take a look at the breadth on our screener. The market breadth here is looking really good as well. We've got good movement as far as green versus red. That indicates really a positive market breadth. Another thing that I noticed is over here on our tables, we're almost down to like the average, or I'm sorry, like the low of the week right here with our actual data in the numbers. Okay, now this is saying that there's the least amount of fear. Also, as I'm recording this, all of the 3 major US markets are up, both the Dow and the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Let's go over and take a look at a chart, because we've got market sentiment and we've got the breadth, but let's look at the chart, see if it agrees. We see we've started off really good here. We've had a lot of these 4-hour candles going up. We've got a little pullback, resistance over here. This is resistance. Now, as many people say, this becomes support. I sent out these numbers last night on my Twitter at Trader Alfred, and if you're not on a Twitter, I try and update that a lot more often because it's just quicker and more convenient for me to do. And I do these market maker boxes at the top of every week, and you can see we broke out of the box, but now we're starting to come back to this support area. Okay guys, I want to cut into this video for just a second. I want to hurry up and get this info to you guys. Okay, money talks and BS walks. That's a real old saying. I don't know if guys even use it anymore, but this is gold. This is an hourly chart right here, and we've been hearing whispers about the Trump administration possibly selling off some gold and exchanging it for Bitcoin. Okay, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. The market cap of all of the gold in circulation above ground right now is something like $18.4 trillion. Market cap of the Bitcoin, which is 61% of the entire crypto market right now, is $1.7 trillion. Okay, I think there was a little reaction here, and we were selling off on gold. Also, you can see this huge movement here, back here. We could have been filling in that invisible gap, but this trade, which was looking like a risk off trade, is guys sell out of gold and maybe get into equities and other more speculative assets. This is right now starting to unwind. Okay, and also you notice that here's the statistics for the week. This is weekly stats. The average swing down, and we had almost made it there on just the first day. And also this area I marked out here, this zone, which was a buy zone. Okay, what I mean is we're making it here a little early, and that trade is starting to unwind. So that makes me a little cautious about the pump we saw in Bitcoin on today, because if everyone's rotating due to this rumor rumor mill, those rumors often don't last very long. And professionals, they don't trade on rumors. They don't trade on highly speculative statements, especially I don't want to be political, but especially with a administration like this that kind of flip-flops a lot, makes it very difficult. Okay, so watch gold and see what happened over there, and just pay close attention to that throughout the week, guys. Okay, you're now returned to your regularly scheduled programming. One more thing I wanted to point out is over here, I'm in our screener now. This is the daily or weekdays, and you can see that statistically right now we are on the day where we usually make a high or a low of the week. So we've got to see, is there any continuation of this pattern, this uptrend pattern, or is this much like this heat map is telling us over here statistically? This is the this is the UTC day where we usually are making the high or the low of the week. So off to a very good start. I'm looking and waiting to see what happens on Friday with the PCE report. Core PCE is watched very closely by the Fed. Also, we've got GDP coming out here in the US. GDP is coming out on Thursday. That's all I have for today, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Just a quick Bitcoin technical analysis video. See you guys on the next one. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers. Peace.